So, here I would like to tell you that we learned a lot and we learned in great detail and we simplified and learned. And finally, we put it all together in an easy manner, easy to understand and easy to remember. But yet, you must know that medicine is not mathematics. Every human being is different. And despite knowing all these things, there is a 5 to 10% chance that despite doing everything right, you may get stuck and you may wonder why you are not able to get the results. There are some points to remember, and these points are going to be extremely helpful for you. First is hair fall is multifactorial, which means you could have a hormonal and a nutritional at the same time. You could have dandruff and hormonal at the same time. So at any given point of time, it could be a single one of the five reasons which is causing your hair loss, or it could even be two or three of the five reasons that is causing the hair loss. And since it's multifactorial, we might have to delve a little deeper and develop the art and the science, the skills to prescribe the four-step regime right for you. Second is results are influenced by stress levels. So even if you're doing everything right, the absorption, the assimilation, the hormonal balance, the circulation, everything is influenced by the mindset of the client, the stress levels. So, if the person is going through intense stress, unfortunately, sometimes people go through stress because they are stressed about losing their hair. So, despite the doctor doing their best, these stress levels do not allow the client to get really good results. So, sometimes we are helpless in spite of doing the right thing. Also, absorption of and assimilation varies from person to person, also varies from time to time, sometimes because of the food habits changing, the person traveling a lot, the hormonal changes in the body, the stress levels. In fact, there are too many reasons why the absorption and assimilation of a person may change, and this responsibility will have to be taken by the client or the person himself, because there's a little doctor can do about it. Consistency is the key. So people give up too soon. People start looking for results in 1 week after they start a regime, and in 1 week after you start the regime, the results do not show. At least in hair, they do not show unless a person can be really disciplined and consistent. That is the reason I always like to give simple four-step regimes. I do not like to make too many changes in the person's lifestyle, because the more changes I make and the more overwhelm I cause, the chances of the person doing it becomes lesser and lesser. So I give a very simple regime customized to their lifestyle, customized to what they like. But then consistency is very, very important, and consistency is the key. Regular review. This makes a difference. This is a game changer. At least once a month, review your progress. I have had a poster on setting goals for hair. How do you set healthy hair goals? So if you haven't had a look at the poster, join me on my Instagram. It is hashtag I love skin sense. I share many cheat sheets and posters on Instagram. So you can set hair goals, you can set goals on what are the differences you want to see, and then you will have to review whether what you're doing is getting you there, and you may need to tweak at regular intervals. Results vary from individual to individual. That's the reason I said medicine is not mathematics. But yes, it is proven, and a lot of people get similar results. These things are proven to work time and again globally, and they do work. But yes, there are few exceptions to the rule. So only holistic or inside out approach works. So if you say, give me one thing to change my hair quality, give me one thing to change my hair health, I think one thing is not going to work for anything. A minimum of a four-step regime is what I have deciphered. In fact, I have thought about what can I eliminate and how can I make it super simple, super crisp and effective, and a minimum of a four-step regime is always required in my approach and experience. Thank you very much. So, this is the last chapter of the masterclass. The 9 weeks of the Healthy Hair Forever masterclass are all summed up together, and I'm sure you've learned a lot, but there are more surprises for you. I will get in touch with you in the coming week and tell you about the surprises in store for you. Thank you very much. Waiting for your questions.